In this video, I'm going to show you how to block multiple friends on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then right here at the top left corner hit at your profile picture. It moves you right there where you can scroll down for a bit and tap on My Friends to show up your friends list. And now here, if you want to block one single person, all you have to do is just hold down on that person's name, then tap at Manage Friendship and then hit on block and then hit on block again to block that specific user. Unfortunately, there are no block multiple users feature on Snapchat, so if you want to block multiple friends, you have to continue doing these steps. Hold down, manage friendship, block, and then confirm it. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to subscribe.